Hi, welcome to this tutorial on how to back up your case study and also how to restore a case study. So first, let's go through how to back up your case study. So backing up your case study is essentially creating another copy of that offline. And this is very useful if you would like to create a copy and send it over to a friend or a teacher for them to check if your FINPLAN input data is correct, or if you would like to update the FINPLAN software and you want to keep your case studies that you were working on before. So to back up a case study, click on Manage Case Studies, which is on the left over here. And now you'll see a list of your case studies. So say we want to back up this first case study over here, the completed cold demo case study. So you want to create a copy of this file offline. To do that, we will click on this green button and you'll see that it says backup case when we hover over the button. So we click on this and you'll see this screen pop up on the right. So this first box just tells us the name of the file that we're backing up. So this is the completed cold demo file, which is correct. And in the second box over here, this is the name that it will have when we back up the case study. So let's write down something like completed cold demo backup. Once we've done that, click on this button here called backup. And it will automatically bring up this screen. So this tells us that FINPLAN will create a backup, so a copy of this case in the downloads folder. If this is where you want it to be, click on save. Otherwise, you can go to other folders like your desktop or another documents folder for that. But in this example, we will stick this in the downloads folder. So click on save. And now click on close. So now if we go to our downloads folder, we will see that we have this backup case in our folder. So this is the completed cold demo backup case that we just did just now. So that is how to back up a file. Now let's see how to restore a file. So restoring case studies essentially means to bring back a case study that you have backed up. So opening up a case study that has been saved in the folder format that we just did before. So this will be useful if you want to check someone's work or if you want to bring back a case study that you developed before after upgrading your FINPLAN software. So to restore a case study, we click on this button over here, the select case button under this box, restore case study, which is again under the manage case studies tab. So we click here, select case. So just now we made a copy, so we backed up our cold demo case study, which is over here. But in this example, let's try restoring another case study. So in this example, my case study that I want to restore is in a different folder. So I will navigate to that folder. And in this example, I want to restore the completed CCG demo brackets balance case study. So I will click on this case study and you can see that it is a compressed zip file. And I will click on open. And once you see this come up, click on restore. And now you'll see that our file, the completed CCGT demo balance case study, is now here. And we can click on it and navigate through it and look at the data that we have inputted. And that is how to restore a case study.